Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day today. Just did a job check on a new client. We're just painting a bedroom. It's simple. It was a two-tone, really dark color blue, chair rail and everything. My new guy Paul's there with his helpers. I just want to stop by and see how everything is going. Especially with the new guys, I need to be really hands-on, you know, make sure I'm there most of every step of the way. But just going in there, I'll first glance seeing the ram board floor protection taped down nice and neatly. You know, they taped off the chair rail. Everything looks clean. Like, the guy is definitely the real deal. Like, you can tell a lot just by looking at the site prep on a job, you know. The guy knows what he's doing. So hopefully it continues to go that way. Hopefully that's not just with paint. Hopefully he's you know, the real deal all around. We'll see. A few are, but yeah, good day, man. You know, met the new client, picked up a deposit. We're expecting that job to be completed tomorrow. That's it. Now I'm heading over to the shed re-siding job to check on my guys there, see how that's going, pick up a deposit from Jeff for another job that we signed. So yeah, man, it's a good day, you know, nice, chill. Got up, did some computer work, got caught up with everything. Calendar's updated, the board is updated. We have social media posts scheduled out for the next 2 weeks, so I don't have to worry about creating new content. Uploaded a new YouTube video this morning. I have a few other videos in line ready to go, so I like to keep busting them out, you know, back to back. So let me know what you guys want to see, you know. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions, anything at all, guys. Drop a comment. And for now, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.